everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. It is Wednesday when you guys are seeing this video, so I hope that you are having a good week. In today's video, I'm going to be planning out the month of June in my MakseLife planner. I know it's going to sound like the same thing everyone else is saying, but I can't believe that it's already June, and like, where did the first 5 months of the year go? I feel like there's been so much just going on that haven't really had much to like slow down in our lives, and I feel like this might be one of the slowest months yet. I say that now. I'm hoping that I did not just jinx myself. The kit that I'm going to be using is a kit 328 from Planner Kate, and it is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I love like the tropical vibe. I even love the colors, even though there is some peach in there. It's fine. It's totally fine. But I think it's a really, really pretty kit. So I also love, this is one of the things that I mentioned, I think it was in last month's plan with me. I need to look back now because I used a kit from Planner Kate there as well. I love that some of the labels she has pre-printed, so she did include quite a few pre-printed holidays for us, like Flag Day, Juneteenth, Father's Day, and Summer Begins, events like that. So I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna get this bookmark out of the way because it always throws me off. But I also got this kit in a weekly, and I'm just gonna plan while I chat because that's just gonna work better for me. But I also got this kit in a weekly version, and I'm excited to use it. I might use it also the first week of June. We will see. Now this kit, or these particular kits, are made more for like the Erin Condren life planners, so I do go ahead and cut off the little bit of the excess, just because it's not like it doesn't look that bad, but the fact that I see it, and if I can just cut it off, then it's not as bothersome, I guess. I don't know. It still works though. Like I said before, I would rather have a kit have some pieces that are too big, because you can always cut them down, but you can't add to what doesn't exist, if that makes sense. So I'm okay with it being a little bit too big. All right, so there is this side. And since I'm pulling like stickers off of a sheet, let me tell you something. I have been trying out other planners or other like weekly things. I'm gonna kind of like jump into another planner here now, but I've been like working in my plum paper vertical priorities, and I want to love using a weekly layout, especially from Plum Paper, because I really do like that brand. But they make it so hard because their paper is not sticker friendly at all. And in my weekly and in my monthlies, I love using stickers. It's a great creative outlet for me. So if paper doesn't work with stickers, I'm not going to use it. And I found myself getting really frustrated because I back planned a week. I had some like extra Chrissy Ann Designs kits that I knew I wanted to use up, and I was like, I'll just use these kits. Well, I couldn't, because the second I had to do something like cut off excess to it, you needed like a gallon of undo to get it off. And it wasn't like an older Chrissy Ann Designs kits where her stickers were not repositionable. We're talking like a $2 Tuesday kit from like February. So it was very recent. I was just disappointed because I was like, I really like the that layout. The vertical priorities is really, really cool in my opinion. All right, so with these kits, Kate gives you like these little boxes to fill in the days that are outside of the month. Again, it's a little bit bigger than what it needs to be width wise. Height wise, it's a little bit smaller. So you just kind of gotta get creative. Get your scissors or whatever you use to cut and a ruler, and you will be good to go. And then it's like you don't even know that it was any other size, if that makes sense. I think that's really pretty. I don't even know if I'm putting them the right way. Are they supposed to be clouds? I think they're supposed to be clouds, so I hope that I did that the right way. All right, and then there's this one for the bottom. That's not exactly centered, but it'll be okay. So anyway, that was my dilemma with the Plum Paper vertical priorities. I was really bummed. It was just too much. I think I did 2 weekly layouts. Was it last night, the night before? Oh, look. Oh, no, that's the leftover sticker. I'm like, is it ripping my page? No, I just didn't cut the sticker enough. So I was playing around with the layouts. This is just going to be a chatty video. I'm sorry. And like, oh, let me see if I can show you where. It might have been in this lemon kit. Oh, my God. Like, this was with Planner Kate stickers. Look at that. It like ripped and it broke my heart. I think I even went back another week. Yep, this is where I was trying another Chrissy Ann Designs kit. So let me see if I can get my camera to focus. It ripped up the paper along the edge there. I know that that's a like complete like first world problem, but it's frustrating because like those are some of my favorite sticker shops, and I will literally pick a planner based on if it can work with the tools that I like using, like stickers and pens and things like that. So, you know, that's where I'm at with that. And I've been feeling the need to like change things up. I know that it's because it's that time of year. It's like academic year launch time, and everyone's kind of feeling a little bit like, hey, you know, let's change things up, make things a little bit different, get out of this boring rut that we're in. And I've been feeling it too. I just don't know what it is that I want to use for my weekly, because I've been using the MakseLife, and this book is getting so chunky because I put a lot of pictures and things, especially in my weekly reflections page. I have been loving using that as like a weekly recap of pictures throughout the week. So it adds quite a bit of bulk. And then when you add in stickers, and I can't even say washi because I can't even remember the last time I reached for a roll of washi to do anything in my planner. But yeah, so that's where I'm at in the journey to find the elusive the elusive planner piece. I feel like planner piece is just something that occurs for just a smidge of time and it disappears the moment you get bored. And I think being bored in your planner, like, there's nothing wrong with it. Obviously, being bored in your planner and insisting on doing something about it costs money. So you have to keep that in mind. Sometimes because you want to switch planners doesn't mean that you can. You know what? This 20th of the month is just being stubborn. Let's see if I can get that straight. There we go. So yeah, not a whole lot going on this month so far. I will be out of town for an entire week, which is both exciting and terrifying, but more so exciting than anything because I haven't gone anywhere, like travel-wise, in well over a year. In fact, the last flight that I was on was for Go Wild in Vegas, which was like 2 years ago. And it's hard to believe that it's been that long, right? But it has. And so I'm going to be out of town for work, and I'm super excited. I really am excited. I hate flying. Like, hate it, loathe it. I'd rather not, but yeah, we're going to do it. So, all right. Oh, I think I want to use this sidebar. And I love this color. I think it goes the whole length of the book. I'm not sure. Maybe it doesn't. Since it's made for the EC1, it could be meant to cover that whole column in the Erin Condren. Okay, got that sidebar on. No idea what I will use it for, but I think I'm going to use just this peach event label, and I'll find a this week sticker in my stash somewhere, and we'll just put that in there and make it look really cute. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so the date covers are on. I really like the color and how everything looks. What I want to do first is actually put down the pre-printed holidays, because I think last month I did those last and then they just didn't look good where I was putting them, but I absolutely love these. It would also help if I could get them down straight. I also realized that, like, I haven't painted my nails in forever, and the tips of my nails, like the whites, are changing color because I've been eating so many like tangerines. I had like 2 with my lunch, and like the peels are turning my nails orange. So I promise I am washing my hands, but they are staining my nails, and it's not cool. But whatever. I also haven't felt like painting my nails at all lately because I'm just not in the mood for it. I'm not in the mood to wait for nail polish to dry, or the second it chips, it's not cool at all. So, all right, let's do Father's Day, and then, oh, Father's Day and the first day of summer are on the same day. I think we're gonna have to make that a beach day. All right, so holidays are in. Now let's focus on paydays. So I think I'm just gonna use maybe these dots, kind of like layer them. I think that that'll look good. So there's one payday, and we'll need to get the rest of these down really quick. All right, and then the way that I want to mark me being out of town is using the skinny strip, and that's going to be this week of the 14th. That will be interesting. I thought of maybe vlogging while I was there. I've kind of seen like Jen Chapin doing that over on her channel. She travels quite a bit, or is back to traveling more with her job, and I was like, you know what? Maybe I will bring my camera. Oh, it's actually just till Friday because I will be back home on Friday, but I thought that that might be fun. Also because it's to a city that I've never been to before, so that will be exciting. And then I'm just going to use these kind of lighter colors here to put my flight information there. Not really flight information, but like flying to, you know, and then this one will say flying home. Which, by the way, let me tell you something. They just added Southwest as a carrier or whatever to our airport, and I could not be more excited because now there's suddenly like this just huge opening for inexpensive flights, and I'm like, thank God. Again, not like I fly all the time, but still, Southwest is always an amazing option. So, one of the things that we would like to do is plan some beach days, and I'm going to use the navy ones. We are actually pretty close to 3 beaches in our area. I think we'll do the 5th. We might do the 13th instead of, or we might actually do the 13th instead of the 20th. We're trying to make it a goal to go to more beaches. We used to have a boat club membership, and that's a whole like, ugh. So if you guys have ever heard of a boat club, it's kind of an investment. And when we thought we were moving to Florida, we canceled our membership. I'm kind of bummed now that we're staying here because to start it all over again would just be ridiculously expensive. So I think that's why we're pushing more to going to beaches and things like that, just because we love being out in the sand, all that good stuff. But I'm really missing the boat. Maybe it's something that we can do next year, but this year, not so much. Not with all the things going on. Okay, so I've got all of that written in. Again, we don't have a whole lot going on here. There is more that I'm going to add. Like, one of the really exciting things is that Nathan actually just got his very first job. So as he gets his schedule, I'm going to use some of the additional appointment labels, which I'm probably going to need a lot more to put in his schedule because he's not going to really work a traditional Monday through Friday like Kayla, Jesse, and I do. So I'm going to add his schedule just because that will be the one that's the least consistent, and that can affect things like meals and making plans to go to the beach as a family, things like that. So that is also definitely going to get added later on. The one fun thing that I love adding to my monthly plan with me's are these Wacky Holidays from Planner Kate, and we're going to do the ones for June. So June 1st is Dare Day. I'm probably not participating in that at all. Can't dare me to do anything. Okay, National Rocky Road Day is on the 2nd. National Donut Day is on the 4th. I will be participating in that a lot. The 5th is Hot Air Balloon Day. Do not put me down for any sort of hot balloon shenanigans. National Frozen Yogurt Day is on the 6th. Yes, put me down for that. Notice I will do the food things, but not, not the other things. Okay. National Chocolate Ice Cream Day. Yes, also yes. Best Friends Day is on the 8th. I will participate in that. Iced Tea Day is on the 10th. Do you guys like iced tea at all? Do you like sweet tea or unsweetened tea? We were talking to Kayla the other day, and she was like, she thinks that sweet tea is like the grossest thing ever. And of course, the rest of us were like, how are you our child? How do you not like sweet tea? I love sweet tea. But you know what's funny about me? When I order my sweet tea, I always get sweet tea with no ice and with lemon. I always get weird looks, but I like my sweet tea to be room temperature, and it just is like heaven plus diabetes in a cup, because we all know that in the South here, we make sweet tea entirely too sweet for safe human consumption. All right, back to these holidays. The 11th is National Flip-Flop Day. Also here for that. I could wear flip-flops year-round. Of course, I live in a place that's very flip-flop friendly. The 12th is National Peanut Butter Cookie Day, or, you know, National Drop Your Sticker on the Wrong Day, but this is perfect. All right, 14th, we have Monkey Around Day. I guess you could also just say that that's like Goof Off Day. That's every day for me as well. That's on the 14th. It's not on the 13th. Let's make sure we put these holidays on the right day. And I don't know if I'm actually going to have space. We're going to squeeze it in there. And it's kind of crooked, which is funny. Maybe I won't use it. I have now moved it around enough times that the sticker is like, what are you doing? Okay. The 15th is National Smile Power Day. I don't know what that is. I don't always use all of them, but I don't like it. All right, Fresh Veggies Day on the 16th. I guess that's to balance out all the other donuts and ice cream days, right? The 17th is also Eat Your Veggies Day. I don't know where we're going with these holidays, but I would like ice cream. Oh, here we go. On the 18th, it's National Splurge Day. Perfect. I think every sticker shop should have a giant sale. All right. 19th is National Kissing Day. No thanks. Have you heard of COVID? 21st is National Yoga Day, or International Yoga Day. I could totally get down with that. The 22nd is National Onion Ring Day. I also love onion rings. I have a guilty pleasure of onion rings from Burger King with their onion ring sauce, which again, not the healthiest, but very, very, very delicious. All right. National Pink Day is on June 23rd. Take Your Dog to Work Day, June 25th. If I actually worked in the office where my corporate offices are, I would probably bring Bruiser with me every day. They allow dogs in the office, and I think that that would be his, it would just be heaven for him. So I'm excited to go to the corporate offices for my job. I'm bummed that I'm not bringing Bruiser with me. All right, the 26th is National Forgiveness Day. I think we could all use a little bit of that. We'll need to forgive ourselves for indulging in all of the ice cream earlier in the month. And the 27th is National Sunglasses Day. Perfect way to end the month as we bring in summer and all the fun outdoor things. All right, so that is everything for my plan with me so far for the month of June. I just looked down and saw how ridiculously crooked this sticker is. I think that that's better. Maybe. I don't know. It's really bad, you guys. Okay, let's try one more time. One more time. We're gonna fix this. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I don't know that there's any fixing this. Anyway, that is it for this monthly plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.